guys, so we're just doing a video on the badge for the steering wheel. So obviously if you're fitting it to an F series, they stick straight on with the glue supplied. If you're fitting it on an R series, then you have to remove the thinner glue and fit the thicker glue basically, which will be supplied with the badge. So we'll get that peeled off now, get that fitted, and then we'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, so we swapped the glue over because we're fitting to an R series. So there we've got the thicker glue on. So as always, use your adhesion primer first, just wet that up, let that go tacky. We'll peel the other side of the red tape. So obviously just peel that off. Then it's just a case of sticking that, winding it up in the corner there, and sticking that over the top. So there you can go, looks much better. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc.